In this guide, I'll show you how to sign into the PlayStation Network on your PS4 using the PlayStation app. So from the home screen, open up the PlayStation Store, and then you'll be prompted to sign into your PlayStation Network account. So what you want to do is go onto your phone and download the PlayStation app for free from the App Store. And once you do that, sign into your PlayStation Network account. So that'll bring you to this home screen once you're signed in, and select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then scroll down to where it says Console Management, and you want to select Scan QR Code. So now all you need to do is scan the QR code on your screen and select Approve, and then it'll say you're all set and you can now go back to your console. So after a couple seconds, it'll show your PlayStation Network account profile and you want to select Sign In. And then after a couple of seconds, it'll bring you to this next screen where you can just select OK. And now you're signed into your PlayStation Network account on your PS4. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.